Welcome to Communication Mastery class. Presenting Day 10. Presenting word power. Word number 1, loud. It is an adjective that means strong and very easy to hear the voice. For example, the man's voice was so loud that we all could hear him. Word number 2, nervous. It is an adjective that means not confident or fear to face something bad or wrong. For example, the boy became nervous when he heard the news. Word number 3, noise. It is a noun that means an unpleasant sound. For example, the crying baby made a loud noise. Word number 4, project. It is a noun that means a type of work that you do for school or a job. For example, his afternoon work project was to paint the room green. Word number 5, scare. It is a verb that means to make others feel afraid. For example, my uncle was scared by what he saw in the room. Part 2. Now let's learn the words with a story. Bravo! It's story time. Title of the story: The Evil Man. Mr. Anand Mehta was a very famous scientist. He used to spend hours in the laboratory doing experiments to prove his findings. He lived with a very happy family. His family included his 2 lovely daughters, his beautiful wife, and his caring parents. He enjoyed playing with his daughters, and he always thought that whenever he is with his family, he laughs, and joy and entertainment for his was never an issue. Everything was going fine in his life, but one fine morning, while he was enjoying his morning walk, some evil person attacked him with a knife, just to snatch his beautiful wristwatch. Mr. Anand tried to ask for help by making a loud noise, but no one came forward to his help. For some time he became very nervous. He listened to a lot of noise coming from his front, where other people were just gossiping and staring at the incidents, but no one was ready to come to his rescue. The evil person tried to scare him by showing the knife. Mr. Anand was not able to understand why nobody was coming to help him. Finally, he decided to hand over his wristwatch to the evil man and save his life. Mr. Anand thought that sometimes it is better to surrender to the situation and go ahead with other projects in life, otherwise, you may end up lose more precious things in your life. Special word for Day 10 is hoard. The meaning of hoard is massive. For example, the New Year sale always draws a massive crowd of people. Part 4. Now let's play with grammar. Masculine and feminine nouns. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. For example, boy, girl, man, woman, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, wife, husband, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece. Many nouns are used for both males and females. They are called common gender nouns. For example, teacher, doctor, scientist, pupil, parent, astronaut, president, child, cousin, manager, baby. With animals, there is one general word for the animal and special words for the male and the female. Sometimes the word for the male animal is the same as the general word. Sometimes the word for the female animal is the same as the general word. For example, rabbit masculine is buck and feminine is a doe. Horse, masculine is a stallion and feminine is a mare. Sheep, masculine is ram and feminine is a ewe. Master today's learnings and keep growing. Cheers.